how to resize image in Notion. So this is a very easy tutorial. So if you want to add an image, you just have to type slash and then tap image. Now you can add upload, embed link, and splash, and so on. So for me now, I'm going to upload a file right here. So let's just say this image, you want to resize this. All you have to do is to look for this words right here. And then if you want to make it bigger, all you have to do is to scroll up the cursor. And you can also just simply move up the mouse and then move it down. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Now you can just simply put, or you can, drag this to anywhere here, but you have to make sure that you haven't put this into column. It should be like a plain space right here. So by the way, this is how you simply resize an image here in Notion, as easy as this one. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!